Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Firestick step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Firestick, start by turning on your Firestick. Navigate to the home screen. Using the search function, type in Peacock. Select the Peacock app from the search results. Click on the download or get button to install the app. Once the installation is complete, launch the Peacock app. On the welcome screen, select the sign in option. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, choose the sign up option to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After signing in, you may be prompted to activate your device. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the activation website provided in the Peacock app. Enter the activation code from your Firestick into the appropriate field. Click that Activate button to confirm. After a moment, your Firestick should refresh and complete the activation process. You can now enjoy Peacock and start streaming your favorite content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.